Alright, I'm looking for sign. Tracks or whatever whatever moved down the hillside the other day. There are places like this, and there's another one up there, which is a big stride. I can do it, but it's a stretch for me. Now, just looking right here, I can't even see where I was standing or filming, because I was right down there. I'm gonna get on the other side of this fence just to make sure. Maybe something was on the other side. Actually, I do see something on the other side. Let me try to get over there. Alright, I'm going to have to get across this, so stand by. There's a few tracks in here. It's rained, and it's been rainy and sloppy in here. So it's kind of washed out. Gotta go on up to get across this fence line. I'm looking for hair or anything on it. Stand by. I'm on the other side of the fence now. And on down to where I filmed that, but there's definitely been something moved through here quite recently. It's all torn up. That could be a deer or anything, I suppose. I just can't tell because of all the litter on the ground. It's definitely something torn up here. Now, I don't know what that was that I filmed. And I don't know. To me, it looked like it could have been on all fours. Look how tore up this is. Baby, you scared me. You coming up here to destroy the evidence? This is all mashed down right here. Like something set right there. Down there's the human observation. And right in here, on down just a bit, is where I came out and seen the movement. Move back down to where. Look at this. Look at what a friggin' track. Man, I should have brought a tape line. That is huge. It's right beside this tree, so I'm gonna come back up and mark it. There's faint ones. Well, everywhere. But that one's pretty big. That's pretty daggone big. Anyway, Bailey was right down there. I don't know how good you can see it. Right down there, whenever she barked. She only barked one time, though. And I was in the kitchen washing dishes or something. And happened to see, I heard her bark, and I seen her looking up this way. She was looking right in here. So whenever I came out, I got on the back porch. And as you can see, there's pines and everything in the way. I couldn't see very good up in here, but what I saw went this way. You kind of see the leaves are messed up or something moved over here. I saw was a huge black figure. See the leaves all messed up? You know, it could have actually been right in here. Right there's the human observation post. Whenever I came out and started filming, I was standing right down there. And what we seen moving down was right in here somewhere. And look at all this. I think it was on all fours, I swear I do. This is just deep. Deep prints. Now when they go on all fours, I don't know if they ball their hand up, lay it out, I don't know. Do they walk on like the ball of their foot? So I'm trying to get it lined up to exactly where, I think this is where I seen it moving. Look at all this. Yeah, definitely something big coming down through here. Now whenever I had it on film, this is about where it was. Right here. You can see moving down this hillside right down there to where I got the side by side. But I want to walk over here and look a little bit. I want to look at these tracks. Look, coming across this log. That rock ain't been there very long at all. Playing hooky from work today. What do you think it was, Bailey? What was you barking at? How come you won't never tell me nothing? Okay, you notice all the leaf litter everywhere. Right here's the human observation post, and behind it's all cleared out. A few leaves in here, but not many at all. Now, these are duck eggs. There's quite a few of them in there. Ducks don't come up here and lay them. They lay them down either in the barn or in the creeks where I find the majority, or at, not these pine trees, but pine trees over there. The ducks do not come up here. You can see 3 of them here. I found, there's another one over there. Interesting, I think. I did find tracks up here the other day, a couple days ago. So whatever it is right like this, looking down at me. It's like all the sides have been busted out of them. I looked at them the other day. All the sides have been busted out, and the goodies inside drunk out of there. So let's see if we can find anything on these tracks. Stand by. I can't tell what this is at all. I've moved the leaves out of it. You know, if it'd been a bear, looks like I'd be able to see some claw marks. I really don't see that. But it kind of looks like maybe knuckle prints down in here. There's another one. Bark and everything. That's probably not a very good one. I see this could be the foot. Those 2 are, I mean, there's just several of them. Right on the other side of the fence, you can kind of see where it drops down right there. There's like a berm. But now I'm thinking it was on this side of the fence. The ridge line rolls over. And right in here is where I got that thing on camera. There's a purdy. Look at this. I mean, whatever it was coming down here. I don't know how I didn't hear it. Listen how, of course, the ground was wet too, so it wouldn't be as loud. It's like another foot. But not the whole foot, like the first, the ball of foot. Maybe a bit of an arch. I'm interested in this fence line down here. It's totally it's totally out of sight right now. Now if it had come on down, I think I would have definitely seen it. What are you doing, Sealy? Her Sealy. This is a good one. Oh, that makes that belly. You are a turd. Look at that. It's almost like a full foot. I just wonder if it stopped right there. Of course, now man, Bailey's been through there and we messed it all up. It's a hanger. Right in here had been totally out of my sight. I brought the side by side to get across the creek, and I got a tree I want to cut. And Bailey's been down through here too, but I'd like to find some hair. I found the hair before. Actually, I think I've got some hair in my house right now. I'd like to find some more. I sent that one stuff off from Claudia. Basically, I've never heard any type of results. It was supposed to have went to Mexico, and that's all I know. I don't know. Bring up my question again. If you do find hair samples, what the heck do you do with them? I guess maybe I'll keep them until we figure that deal out. Oh man. Oh, I thought that was stuck down in there. But I don't see no hair. I guess I don't have to worry about a hair sample. Might walk up Stinky Holler this evening. So I talked to the guy. You can see cow poo in here. Here's some cow tracks. They're kind of washed out too. You can definitely tell a difference in them. Looks like you can see the hooved track. But I talked to the guy yesterday whenever I was going out. And asked him if he had any cows over here, and he said no, they're all across the road, which they was, because I seen them over there. I seen a bunch of them over there. And he's got them all off the mountain and down in the hollers now, ready for winter time, so he'll be able to bring them food. And there's hooving tracks from cows. He moved them. Today, Thursday, I think it's Tuesday, he moved them. Wednesdays, whenever I seen them, that they were all accounted for. So, rolling out cow. So that leaves us with booger or bear. The only two things that's that big and could be black. Oh well. I'm gonna cut this tree up and maybe go poke around a little bit because they're definitely near. I mean, there's other things that's happened, including the gifts for Bailey and some vocalizations I heard last night. That's it for now. Everybody have a good weekend. God bless.